Welcome to Success Mindset. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that can change your financial future: setting financial goals. Stick around for a step-by-step guide to achieving the financial success you deserve. Why are financial goals so important? Simply put, without a clear target, it's challenging to hit the mark. Financial goals give you direction, help you prioritize, and keep you motivated to achieve the life you envision. Think of your financial goals as a roadmap. They guide you from where you are today to where you want to be tomorrow, whether that's buying a house, saving for retirement, or becoming debt-free. Step 1. Define your financial goals. Start by writing down what you want to achieve financially. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a clear goal like, "I want to save $10,000 in the next year for an emergency fund." Break them down into short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. This helps you stay organized and focused. Step 2. Make your goals SMART. This means your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, I want to pay off $5,000 in credit card debt within 12 months by paying $420 per month. Step 3. Create an action plan. Break down each goal into actionable steps. If your goal is to save for a down payment, your plan might include setting a budget, reducing unnecessary expenses, or finding additional income sources. Step 4. Track and review your progress. Use tools like budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook to monitor your progress. Regular reviews weekly, monthly, or quarterly help you stay on track and adjust as needed. Celebrate your small wins. It keeps you motivated and reinforces positive behavior. Step 5. Stay committed, but be flexible. Life happens. Unexpected expenses or changes in income might require you to adjust your goals. The key is to stay committed but be flexible enough to adapt. Setting financial goals is a powerful step toward taking control of your life. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to financial success. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Success Mindset, and hit the bell icon for more tips on building the life you want. See you in the next video.